Hey, Mi A1 Oreo users, we know that on xiaomi Mi A1 Oreo version there's need to be confirmed for switch off data connection. It is not good and it is very disgusting for all of our users. But I've got a solution. Today I will show you how to off data connection without any types of confirmation. For this we need a rooted phone, and a third-party apps, which is free and available in Play Store, called Shortcut or Quick Settings. I have adjusted the app link in the description box. Before installation, see how I work. At first download the app and open it. Allow all permissions. Now go to pull down option, and select advanced access tiles, and then scroll down and swift on button of mobile data. It will add a data connection on off toggle to your notification panel's tiles. Now, swipe down your notification panel. Click on the pen icon and scroll up. There you will see the data connection on off toggle. Now take it to your tiles. Press back and swipe down your notification panel again, and touch on the data connection tiles, which you added recently. Once you click on it, it will on your data connection and click again. It will off your data connection, and new confirmation message will come. Congratulations! You are all done. Now, you can on or off mobile data without any kinds of boring and disgusting confirmation message in Mi A1 or any other devices. At last, if you enjoy these tricks, please like, share, and subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum.